What if the laws that govern the universe could shed light on the way we make ethical decisions? We know gravity pulls objects downward, and Newton's third law shows us that every action has an equal and opposite reaction. But can these physical laws offer insights into human morality? Let's start with something as fundamental as gravity. It's simple. An object falls because gravity pulls it downward. But what if we think of gravity not just as a force, but as a metaphor for responsibility? If gravity is predictable and impartial, can the consequences of our actions be just as predictable? Next, let's consider Newton's third law of motion. For every action, there is an equal and opposite reaction. Can this extend into human ethics? Do our actions reflect in others' reactions? Now, let's look at the second law of thermodynamics. This law tells us that over time, systems tend to move toward disorder or entropy. In a closed system, without energy input, things fall apart. Can this idea of entropy be applied to human life? If we don't put effort into our relationships, our communities, or even ourselves, do we too head toward disorder? What about the uncertainty principle in quantum mechanics? It tells us that we can never fully know both the position and momentum of a particle at the same time. Does this reflect the way we make decisions in our lives? How often do we face moral choices with incomplete knowledge? Is uncertainty an unavoidable part of our ethical landscape? So, what is the deeper connection between the laws of physics and human morality? Can we align the predictable nature of physics with the chaotic world of human ethics? Is there a universal code that connects the two? By looking at the laws that govern nature, we start to ask deeper questions about the nature of morality and ethics. Are the forces of the universe simply natural laws? Or do they offer us a blueprint for how we should interact with each other and the world around us? Join me in my journey of exploring the deeper connection between the laws of physics and human morality.